What's going on, everybody? Back with some gameplay. Today I'll be using the M97 pump action shotgun. So something special about this shotgun is if you pump it once, it'll shoot once. If you pump it twice, it'll shoot 2 times. If you pump it 3 times, it'll shoot 3, and etc. and etc. So I put an M120 spring in it, so it shoots about 310 FPS on single fire. So without further ado, here's the gameplay.
Bang, 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 bang. I spared you. Thank you. Ah, that hurt.
And that's gonna do it for this video, guys. It was just a short video. Just had a few runs with this shotgun, but if you guys want to see more gameplay with the shotgun, just let me know down in the comments. If you guys made it this far, thank you. Please hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification button so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And until next time, peace.